Yo, what's up, Mustang fan? I'm back. We got some slight going on, and I'm back with the new edges. You can see by the seats if you couldn't tell. I'm about to take the gauge out, show y'all the chrome that's going around the gauge, and we're gonna take that apart. I'm gonna try to get the chrome out because I hate the chrome. For the most part, haven't been having much going on car-wise, so I haven't been making many videos, and my shirt dirty. I've been working already, so I'm finna show y'all what I got going on. Okay, so as you can see, we got the black gauges, but we got the chrome bezel, and that bezel I don't like. So what I'm about to do is, you gotta take these torques out. There's one there in that corner, one up there I already took out, that one I already took out, and that one. Then supposedly the gauge just pull out, then you got all these torques around it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get it out, then I'm gonna get it in the house and set it up, and hopefully I can get this out without ruining it. Okay, so getting it out is pretty straightforward. You just got two plugs. That's for the passenger side, the driver's side, which is the fuel gauge and all that, and that's for the rest of it. So I got it out. We about to get these torque screws out. I may do it right here and just see what I can do with it. See if I can get this trim out without it breaking. Okay, so as you can see, I already got two out. And for the most part, I think they just push out. Just don't want to push too hard and crack the other screen. I gotta start recording more, man, I swear. I really hate that I haven't been doing it as much when I want to. Just haven't, you know what I'm saying? It's really more of having the funds, but not really having them to play with to actually do car stuff. So, and being maxed out on what I can do right now. I'm gonna get something and I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna get. I really want to do the lights in it. I think red lights would be dope, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do gray and orange. So orange lights would be pretty dope. I mean, I'll be taking it back out, redoing the LEDs, which would be a whole nother video. I gotta find the proper lighting. Okay, so there it is. Tell me, was I tripping? I mean, if anybody want these chrome pieces, let me know. I'll sell them to you for cheap, maybe even send them to you just for shipping. But I like it a lot better without the chrome, especially at night. At night, the chrome just glows, man. It's quite annoying to have that chrome in there. That look a lot better, man. I swear that look a lot better. So what I'm about to do is, I'm about to get my key, and I'm gonna show you guys the tricks that come up right here. Okay, so I got my keys. What you want to do is you want to turn it over to accessory and hold this, and it's supposed to reset the gauges. Supposed. See it reset. And you can go through. All the bulbs work. Okay, as you can see, it reset. And it's testing all the bulbs now, so all the bulbs work. I don't even know what the fuck that's for. I think RPM. Not sure about that. Not sure about that either. The fuel is at 86%. See if it's still testing. Yeah. Fuel is at 85. 0.85. That can't be right, 'cause that's fucking. Oil pressure says 0. I know that's not right. The battery. I'm not sure what all them settings for. I have to. I would have to look through the manual. See, they resets the gauge and everything. I know one of them is the RPMs. I didn't pay much attention to the video. That's RPM. Alright, that wraps it up for another short video. Just getting that dash trim out, and to me it looks better. To you it may look the better with the chrome. I don't know. But to me, I like the blacked out thing. I don't like that chrome stuff. Black and chrome to me just don't go together sometimes unless it's on the exterior of the car. So with that being said, I'm out. I'll catch y'all next video. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what y'all want to see. I may be putting coilovers on the car. I may be bagging it. I know I need some seats. I need boost, all that good stuff. So let me know if you got it and we can set it up, man. We can work.